I won't apologize. You think everyone is as corrupt as you are? Huh?
Control, Siddhant. A fight can never resolve an issue. Siddhant, don't do this, Siddhant.
Hey Siddhant, your father is not an honest person. He's corrupt, okay? He's corrupt. And before you hit me, go ask your dad. The entire truth will be out in the open. Your Honor, look what he is doing. If you hit me in front of him, it will be contempt of court.
So what? In the worst scenario, I'll be behind the bars, but I won't spare him today.
Sir,
What are you doing? Why are you fighting like goons? At least acknowledge the fact that I am present over here. At least let me have my food. My wife has packed a special dish for me. Huh?
Milord, he was the one who hit me.
Yeah, so you think you can pass nasty comments on my father and I won't do anything?
If you think I'm lying, then he can confirm it.
Why would he know about my father? Tell me.
Siddhant, control yourself. The judge is over here.
Hey, everyone knows about it. You are the only one who doesn't want to accept the nasty truth about your dad. My lord, you're aware of everything. You tell him about Prabhakar Sinha.
What are you doing, Khattar? And what's wrong with you, Siddhant? You have grown up, but you can't just act your age at all. Let bygones be bygones. Ignore them and move on.
Yeah, so ask him to behave himself. He's falsely accusing my father.
Hey, I'm not lying, okay?
How does it matter if it's a truth or a lie?
It does matter to me.
Your Honor, you are aware of the truth. Sir, tell him the real truth about his dad.
Make them all leave from here.
No. Unless you reveal the truth, I won't move an inch. I'll put an end to his lies.
Siddhant, that's enough. I didn't know that you weren't aware of this. But there's no need to get violent about it. And this is the truth. On the 12th of July 1999, I had just started as a lawyer. It was my very first case. One more case was going on in the court at that time. State versus Miglani Builders. And the public prosecutor was Prabhakar Sinha. It was an open and shut case. All the evidence were against the builder. But the government lost the case. The state suffered a huge loss. Some people believe that Prabhakar Sinha was bribed by that builder. Mr. Sinha had to fight a legal battle to prove his innocence, and the Bar Council debarred him, but though with KK's help he got his license back. But Prabhakar Sinha didn't take up any case after that. He accepted the job offer from Reddy Corporation and started working with KK. It was published in the newspapers as well. You can find all the records if you wish to. Now it all lies in the past. What will you gain by scratching the wounds that are in the process of healing?
Siddhant, how many times do I need to tell you that a wrong path leads to a wrong destination?
Ignore it, man. Don't pay attention to what they say. People envy those who are successful. I know that your father can never do such a thing. I am talking to you and not to these walls.
Miss Gayatri, get the rest of the items.
Everything is ready. Here are the fruits, mango tree leaves, the holy thread, betel leaves are here.
Even the sacred drink is ready.
Purva, can you forget the TV for a day, my dear? TV is an integral part of her life. Purva, please.
If you assign a work to Purva, it never gets done. Let me check on her.
The bid that was announced a week ago by Fly High has been closed. The Reddy Airlines has managed to close the bid. The entire business community is congratulating Krishnakant Reddy. With that, the Reddy Corporation is back with a bang.
KK has made the decision that he would not take part in this bid.
Be quiet. It doesn't matter what KK thinks of you. For me, you are merely an employee.
You cannot talk like this to Prabhakar.
I can do whatever I want to.
KK won't do business with you now. Business deals come and go. They are temporary. Relationship is permanent.
Just because you are close to KK, you think you can make anyone do anything?
What's wrong with you, Ashok? At least shake hands first.
Listen, shall we begin the veneration?
Make the arrangements, I'm coming. There's a basic difference between us, KK. For you, the destination is important, whereas I enjoy the journey more. You are a winner, but that's not how I act. Once I choose a path for myself, I don't deviate from it. Be it for Gayatri or Purva, or the most important of all, Siddhant.
The journey ahead of us is really quite long, Prabhakar. Never say this again. Never ask me to choose between you and something else.
Every time you look for me, you will find me around. Dear Krishnakant, you have moved ahead quite far in life. You have crossed the line which separates us. Beyond this point, I can't support you. You have broken my trust. I don't think we should work together anymore. Our paths are different from this point onwards. Thank you, Dad. We knew that you would support us. After all, we are your sons.
But KK was unfair to his friend.
Dad!
KK has broken Prabhakar's trust. KK will say sorry to him personally. Rao, get the car ready. I will go to Prabhakar's house. KK will say sorry to his friend.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले